Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Honda Jazz here on an O2 play with replacing the brake light bulb on this side. So I'm going to show you which one it is first before we do anything. Keep ignition on, and I'll just press the brakes. As you can see, the driver's side is working, but the passenger side isn't. Just going to show you how it's done. Now you need a flat screwdriver, obviously. Open the boot up. On the back here, if you look, there's a cover on there. So what you do, remove the cover completely, and on the back of the light, right, there's one plug here, there's one plug on the top. The top one is for the brake light. You undo the plug, that's the bulb there that needs replacing. So I'll take the bulb out. It's a special bulb. So it's a R580 bulb. It's a double filament. You take the bulb out. That's the bulb you need to put in. Fit the bulb in place. Again, you slot it through the hole and then twist it to your left, and then I'll show you if it's working now. Push the ignition on, press the brake. Now as you can see, both are working now, so that's all you've got to do as well. It's quite a simple job and a quick job as well. And put everything back together, and that's it. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.